Hi, this is Shivam and you're watching Business Standard. In this episode of BS Tech, I will unbox the newly launched LG Gram 16 laptop. This thin and light laptop is powered by 13th gen Intel i7 processor with integrated Iris Xe graphics and 16GB DDR5 RAM. LG also offers GeForceRTX 3050 GPU for this model, which is optional. As for the storage, there is 1TB NVMe Gen 4 SSD and an empty SSD slot for storage expansion. The 16-inch laptop is powered by an 80-watt battery. It boosts Windows 11 Home Edition. Enough of the details, let's get started with the unboxing. The laptop is lightweight at 1.2 kg and measures 16.8 mm at its thinnest point. Its thin and light form factor makes it a portable laptop easy to carry on the go. Let's see what else do we have in the box. Besides this thin and lightweight laptop, the box contains a user manual and a charging adapter. Well, that is minimal packaging, but this is standard across laptops in this segment. Let's check the laptop now. On the left side, you get the headphone and microphone combo jack along with two USB Type-C ports that allow power delivery since these are Thunderbolt 4. There is also a HDMI slot which will be useful for connecting to projectors and displays. On the other side, there are two USB 3.2 ports, a slot for microSD and the charging connector. For an ultra-portable laptop, it has a generous 16-inch anti-glare display stretched in 16:10 aspect ratio. The screen supports variable refresh rate but is set to 60 Hz by default. As for the brightness, LG said the display can go up to 400 nits. Coming to the keyboard, it is a full-size backlit unit paired with a large precision touchpad. LG said this laptop has stereo speakers powered by Dolby Atmos. How good the speaker sounds and other details will be part of the in-depth review which will follow soon on Business Standard, so stay tuned.